If you broke all my fingers, Creasy, then tape them back together. I wouldn't be able to play piano, but I could still swim. Sam, get back.
Yeah, don't be a crybaby. You're tougher than that. Sit, 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 sit.
Remember the day you wanted the pencil?
Yeah?
I know why.
Yeah?
You wanted the license number off of that car. And I wrote it down in my notebook. I got it all but the last number.
Oh, I'll get it from you later. Can you belch? Can you belch like burp? Can you burp? That's good. That's very good.
I just had a Coke.
All right, listen. Now this teacher, this famous teacher, he teaches a lot of rich kids and plays for the symphonies and all that, right?
Yeah.
All right, you belch every few minutes while you're practicing.
Okay.
You apologize to him, but you keep belching. You'll offend every sensibility he has, right?
Okay.
Very good. You'll be back in the pool in 24 hours, I guarantee you. Right, Sam?